Today we look at how to put patterns into text using Canva. You can start with text like this and make it look like this. The method I'll show you is 100% free and it works with any font. The key to this technique is that we need to upload a PDF that contains shapes representing our text. So first, let's create our text here in Canva. I've created a document here. Let's add some text to it. So over here I'll click text and I'll click add text box. And let's enter some trending text that you see on Etsy. Mom shirts are always popular. I'll resize it here. Let's choose a heavier font too. So up here I'll click the fonts. I like this one here, Berthold Block, so I'll select this. You can choose whichever font you like. So here we have our design. Now we want to download this as a PNG. So I'll click Share, then I'll click Download, and I have PNG selected. Now if you have Canva Pro, I recommend selecting Transparent Background. That will allow you to skip the next step. But I told you this method was 100% free, so let's pretend you don't have Canva Pro. From here I'll click Download, and let's put this image on my computer. I'll click Save. Now we want to remove the background from this image. We can use the free tool that does this at Creative Fabrica. I'll put a link in the description below. But remember, you don't have to do this step if you already downloaded it as a transparent PNG. So in this case, to remove the background, I'll click Add Your Image here. I'll click Pick Image to remove background. And let me upload my image. I'll click Open. It does some processing. And the background is gone. Now I'll just click Download Image. And I'll save this to my computer. I'll call it Mama Transparent. Let's save. And we've saved our file with a transparent background. Now we just need to make our image into a PDF. And for that, we'll use Photopea. I'll also leave a link to this free tool in the description below. I'm on the home page here. Now I'll upload my transparent file. I'll click Open from Computer. And I'll upload the transparent version of my file here. So here I have my image. Now the way this works is that we need to export a PDF. And that PDF needs to contain a vector shape representing our text. I'm going to control click on this layer here. And you can see over here there's a selection around my text. Now we just need to convert this selection to a vector path. So here I'm going to click on the Paths tab. And then I'm going to click on this button down here. Selection to Path. Now the final step, creating the vector mask. For this I'll select Layer, Vector Mask, Current Path. And if I go back to my Layers section, you can see it now looks like this. Just to briefly show you what's happening, if I unlink the text in the mask, if I select my text, if I move it around, you can see it's moving around inside the mask. This is the structure that Canva recognizes as a frame. So let me just undo that. From here, I just need to export as a PDF. So I'll select File, Export As, and then PDF. Make sure these options are not checked. The default options are probably fine. Then I'll click Save, and I'll name my file here. So I'm here back in Canva. Now I want to upload that PDF file. So I'll click Uploads, Upload Files, and I'll choose my template PDF here. I'll click Open. The file will upload. Then I can click on the PDF file, and it's added to my design. Now the key step here is that you have to select this, then click the trash can, and say Delete Image. This deletes the internal image, which is just a black image right now. But if I delete it, now you can see that this is actually a frame. We have that cartoon background that indicates a Canva frame. And the cool thing is I can put any image I want in here. Let's look at some patterns. I'll select Elements. I'll type Floral Pattern. I'll hit Enter. I'll find one I like, and I'll drag it in. And now we have a pattern inside our text. What we can also do is adjust the borders of this. So with this selected, I'll click these lines up here for border style. I can make them a little bit thicker. You could also make them dotted if you wanted. But I'll do solid. If you'd like, you can change the color as well. And here we have our final result. If there's any Canva topics you'd like to see covered in a video, let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.